360-degree reality. Sunset beach, I don't need HGTV. I want the real thing, living off a dream. Give me a couple thousands, I'ma jet to Philippines. Yeah, my 360-degree ability.
Hello everyone, it's me, Simplymiprii, and in today's video, I am finally going to be showing you guys how I convert Java hotbar packs into Minecraft Bedrock Edition. But before I get started, I would like to thank Paslin for teaching me how to do this. Without her, I would have no idea how to give you guys this tutorial, so be sure to check out her channel and show her some love. Okay, let's begin. The first course of action is getting that Java hotbar pack. I actually have a whole folder of cute hotbar packs on my Planet Minecraft profile, so if you want to check that out, it'll be in the description. And I like to download packs on my computer and just airdrop it to my phone, but whichever way works for you will do. Now this next step, which is actually the step where you're going to need to use a files app, my preferred app is Documents. So I go in there and share the file. All you have to do here is delete the pack manifest and rename the pack icon to pack_icon. They're just different names that work for Bedrock and different names that go for Java. So now you're going to go into the textures folder and find the images that are icon and then find the widgets. This is what you're gonna need if you want a hotbar pack. Of course, there's other things in there, tons as you can see, that you can use, but that's above my pay grade. We're just gonna deal with what we have right now for the hotbar. So download those two images and delete that whole assets folder. You won't need it. One more thing you're gonna do is create another folder and title it Textures. Now, here's a very important step. You're going to download a buttons PNG file. If you can't find one online, just screenshot your game and just use the buttons only. It's kind of simple. This next step, we're going to move into Pixel Studio. You can download it on the App Store or the Google Play Store, and here is where we will actually move those downloaded images onto a template. So you're going to create a new project and use the width times height of 256 times 256. It must be the size for a hotbar pack. Make sure that you have it or else the buttons will not size well. And that's really all you need for both the icons and the widgets. So we're going to create 3 layers. On the second layer or the first, doesn't really matter, I'm going to add the widgets file that I saved on my phone on top of it, and you're going to press the selector icon, which is like that little square with the 4 dots on each corner, and select these like certain parts that you will not need for a Pocket Edition hotbar pack and just erase them. It'll be in that little icon there for you to erase, and do that for that section and this section as well. Okay, now that that's done, you're going to go on the third layer and add those buttons that you downloaded or screenshot and turn into a PNG from earlier. I'm using the pink ones that Paslin created, but of course they don't really match, so you could go in anytime and use the blank ones and just decorate over it and make your own hotbar pack, you know? You can use it as a template. So I'm just going to save this whole thing and of course save it as a PNG or else it will not work, and we're going to create a new template. This is the same width and height as before, 256 times 256, and this one is really simple. You're just going to place those icons, which is the second image that you downloaded, and just put it on top, and you'll just save straight from there. Okay, I know I just threw a bunch of information at you guys, so let's take a moment and chat about my favorite fragrance company, Dossier. If this is your first time hearing about Dossier, they make classic luxury fragrances at the fraction of the price while keeping the quality the same, if not better. Not to mention that they give free returns and exchanges forever, along with great bulk deals on their website, reaching up to 25% discounts and free shipping for 3 or more bottles. And it calms me down so much when I'm playing Minecraft, so definitely give it a go and use my discount code MCPE5 for 5% off at checkout. I love you, Dossier. Mwah. Okay, we're back and let's finish out this tutorial strong. So you're gonna go into the Documents app and add those two images that you just made from the Pixel Studio and add them into your textures folder. Here you're going to rename them into GUI and icons. The widgets image is going to be renamed to GUI.png and the icons, of course, is going to remain icons.png. And once you've renamed those, what you're going to do is add another folder and name it GUI, where you will select those two images and add them to GUI folder. Now you're going to need a manifest file. This is how it's going to show up in Minecraft and actually read it at all. And over here is kind of an example of a manifest file from another pack. So we're going to need to borrow or create one. So what I originally wanted to do was use the Strawberry GUI manifest and just copy it to the addons app. If you guys don't know about the addons app, you can import Java textures and all that there. But for some reason, it wasn't loading today, and it's okay because this is how we can get through some errors. I happen to have a bunch of packs that I used in the past on addons app, so I just borrowed one, went in there, renamed that pack into .zip so I could open it. I'm sorry if this is a little bit confusing, but it's really simple as we get through it. And I'm just going to take that manifest file and then send it back in the Strawberry GUI. And here I'm going to rename that into pack_manifest. A little bit of dabbling is going to be done here because you're going to go into the manifest file and rename the title to, of course, the name of the pack, and then go in the description and add whatever you want. I'm going to use personal use because you guys know you can only use these packs for personal use. If you don't have the creator's permission to share it, do not share it and just use it for yourself. So this is what I used, just an example. I like to go in and change the versions just in case I happen to have that old pack in Minecraft so that it doesn't read as duplicate file. So here we're going to select all of those files and make them into an archive. You're going to rename that archive into .mcpack. I know that was a lot, guys, but we have reached the end. And when you open in Minecraft, everything should be good. If I was reading along too much, pay attention to the steps. It's really visual, honestly, and this can work for anything. So I hope this helped you, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.